Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Ariv Ravi. Today I am going to cook citrus meringue pie with US egg. The interesting part is that I am going to separate the egg, and the yolk I will use for a citrus custard and the egg white for meringue. There are 4 types of meringue: French, Italian, Polish and Swiss. I will cook it in the Italian way because it is more stable and it stays for longer. Let's start. For the crust we need flour, butter, salt, vanilla essence, powdered sugar and yolk. Mix the dry ingredients together with vanilla essence and butter. Rub them until it reaches fine crumbs. Add the egg yolk now and gently bring the dough together. Don't mix the dough too long. The dough is ready now. I'm going to wrap the dough and keep it in the chiller for 30 minutes to gluten activate. The dough is rested well. Now I am going to roll the dough until it reaches 1 inch thick. Then I will place it on the greased tart mold. Cut the excess dough from the mold, make it even. Now use the fork to poke the dough and rest it in the chiller for 30 minutes. Take out the dough from the chiller, place the parchment paper. On top of the parchment paper, place the lentils and bake it at 180 degree for 15 minutes. Take out the tart from the oven, remove the lentils from the tart. Bake it again 180 degree for 15 minutes. Tart is ready now. Take out from the oven, cool it for a while. The tart is cold now. I am going to demold it. For the filling we need 4 US egg yolks, 150 gram of sugar, citrus juice 80 ml and they are just 1 teaspoon, 45 gram of corn flour, 45 gram of butter, 360 ml of water. Mix the juice, sugar and corn flour together. Whisk the corn flour until it's smooth. Place the pan over the low heat and cook gently. Stir until the mixture is warm and thick. The mixture is getting thick now. Take out the mixture from the heat. Add the mixture into the egg slowly. Bring the mixture back to the heat. Cook it until it reaches 80 degree. The citrus custard is ready now. I am transferring them into a bowl and add the butter. Whisk it well. Add the citrus zest and mix it well. Pour the citrus custard into the tart and leave it in the chiller for about 2 hours. Place the sliced strawberry around the tart and keep it in the chiller for another 30 minutes. Add some more zest on top of the custard. For the meringue, we need sugar 210 grams, 3 egg whites, 50 ml of water. Bring the sugar and water to a boil. Cook it until it reaches 110 degree. Start to whisk the egg white until they are firm. The syrup has reached 110 degree. Take out from the heat. Slowly add the syrup into the egg white. Whisk it until it reaches soft peak. Continue to whisk until the meringue hold its shape and it's shiny. The meringue is ready now. It's shiny and silky. Now I am going to transfer them into a piping bag. Pipe the meringue on top of the custard. Make the shape by using a spatula. Use a blowtorch to brown the peak a little bit, then bake it for 10 minutes until the meringue is gold. Add some more just on top of the meringue as a garnish. Time to taste now. Happy cooking!